Good afternoon, good morning. How you doing?
Good now.
Word.
Good now.
Yes, ma'am. So I'm a teacher here in Philadelphia, North Philadelphia. A lot of kids come from a lot of traumatic situations, including myself. So I see myself in them a lot of times, but I want to quit. And I'm young enough now. If I quit, I can go and get to my own career. But I'm scared because I'm leaving the community behind, my kids behind. So I'm trying to figure out.
I'm scared, meaning I feel negative emotion about it, which means anytime you feel negative emotion, you know what that means. It means that the thought that you're thinking when you feel it is not in alignment with the source within you.
Yeah.
Talk to us about working with these kids. What's that like?
Oh, it's wonderful. They're beautiful. They bring a lot of joy and, of course, like a lot of frustration, of course.
When you said that they come from difficult circumstances, does that seem to how old are they?
I teach 5th grade.
So in the moment-to-moment experience that you're having with them, does it feel to you that where they've come from, even as recently as this morning, or what their home environment is like, does it feel to you that that is a severe hindrance to who they're being in this moment? In other words, does it feel to you like they bring all of that with them, or do they just show up and be in the moment?
They're definitely in the moment.
Yeah. So why are you bringing where they're from to the moment?
Very good question. I guess,
in other words, you've rendezvoused there with them. They're going to be rendezvousing and rendezvousing and rendezvousing. But in that powerful now, in the now where you are, everything's perfect if you will let it be.
Most definitely.
You see. Right. So then, in the same way that you have really clearly, we felt you know that. You're not just giving us the words that you think we want to hear. You know that. You know that there's really no advantage or no value. It's not a good idea at all to bring where they've come from to this moment right here and now. You're just rendezvousing now. So I want to ask you the same thing, a really important question. Do you need to bring what's coming next for you into this important now? Ooh, think about it. You don't need to, do you? And when you do, so when you bring where they've come from to the now, you get all balled up. When you bring where you think you might be going to the now, you get all balled up. You know why that is? Because Source is rendezvousing you with you right here, right now. Everything that you need or want to be happy is right here, right now. And if you can just keep holding there, then the inspiration for this and this and this, the perfect words flow out of you as you interact with it. Kids, the perfect ideas flow to you as you find your ever-evolving path. Of course, you're not going to be there forever. You're not even going to be there for very long. But it's a perfect place for you to be while you are being there, because being there now and feeling as good as you're feeling is what is pre-paving the path for what's next. And this is a really important thing to understand. When you are joyful in your now, even in the unknown of what's coming, when you're joyful in your now, then the path unfolds into more joy and more joy and more joy and more joy and more joy. In other words, it just continues to be good.
True.
Helpful?
Kind of.
You get it?
I think so.
So why are you wanting to argue with us a little bit?
I guess the joy is like, I ain't going to have no money. Or the joy might go away if I'm struggling to pay rent.
Yeah. Well. But the thing that we know that you don't know is that you think the struggle is about the rent, and we know that the struggle is about the vibrational discord.
Yeah.
And so if you need the rent to be solved before the discord gets solved, then you're going to be in this bind forever. If you can figure out how to solve the vibrational discord anyway, the rent will take care of itself. That's so Abraham, are you asking me to feel good when the conditions don't merit it? And we say, yes, that's feeling good unconditionally. Feeling good unconditionally. Take the conditions out of the equation because they don't mean diddly squat. They don't. And feel good anyway and watch the conditions shift. It's a law. It's a powerful, 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 powerful law. It is the only law. It is the law of everything. It's the law of beingness. It's the law of creation. It's the law of eternity. It's the law of now.
I hear you.
We've enjoyed this interaction more than you have. Because we're already down the road into the clarity that you are in the process of discovering. It's exhilarating to us to play with you in this way. You are a unique and magnificent collection of consciousness. Oh. Never been a day like this. Never been moving forward like this. Never been alignment like this. Those of you here in the room and all around the world, you are on the leading edge of creation. Most important, you have discovered today what alignment feels like unconditionally. That is the key, isn't it? Don't let the conditions that have been created by past momentum be the perpetuating factor in the momentum that's coming. You get to make new decisions in every day. You get to decide who you are now. You get to control the course of your experience. But before you can control the course of your experience, you have to gain mastery over the vibration between your desires and your beliefs. And today, over and over and over again, you found the peace in that, haven't you? So chill out, be easier, get more general, soothe yourself more and others. And if you've got somebody in your life that's hard to soothe, leave them alone. Mm-hmm. Do not sacrifice your well-being by trying to soothe the unsoothable. Because eventually, if you don't try to soothe the unsoothable, if you soothe yourself, eventually you'll be so soothed, no one will be unsoothable for you. No one will cause wobble in your vibration when your vibration is really secure. But until it is, don't let their wobble make you wobble. Yeah. There is great love here for you. And as always, we remain happily, eternally, stubbornly in your vortex.